he married her, got twins, and in the meantime he has a second house and 5 employees. You see, you must not be a bright student to be successful in your life. And such stories, we have many of them, and that encouraged me all the time to increase the work in India. But everything has an end, and I'm now 68, an old man.
A young man.
Yeah, old young man. And now we are looking how to continue. It is not possible to find somebody in Germany who is a little bit crazy like me. I spent all my holidays in Goa, pay for the flight, pay for accommodation in Goa. Everything is, I didn't take any money.
Now when you go back, that's what I want to how do you meet people and ask them to help out?
Yeah, for example, I take spices from Goa and tea and invite people to have food with me. I do Indian food, not so perfect as in the restaurant.
Goan food also?
Goan food, yes. Meatballs in masala and chicken legs in masala, and all these, and most times vegetables, masala vegetables or curry, and they are always happy. And then I show them some pictures, didn't ask for any money, but they know what they have to do.
Okay.
So I get the money.
That's a very nice way of this thing.
Yeah, and so
if you have picked up Goan food, in between I would like to ask you this, any Goan lines?
Special food?
Goan lines? Conversational lines?
Everything what I have in Goa, it is North Indian food, South Indian.
No, I'm saying when you speak, can you speak some Konkani?
Oh, Konkani, I just, when they ask me, Kujenau Kidere, then I'm Rudolf Schwarz from Germany, and Mojenau Rudolf Schwarz, that means, and yeah, just to say, Borasa, Kosasa, oh, sorry, Kosasa, and then I ask Borasa, how are you? Good. And it's very sad that I don't know more sentences in Konkani, or in Hindu I don't know nothing. That's sad, but when I'm here, I'm working all the time. It's no time to have lessons in Konkani or Hindu.
No, you will, but the main thing is, even if you do not know Konkani so well, you understand Konkani hearts. There's these young children, what they require, what they need, you understand that, and that's nice.
That's more important than to speak the language.
Yes. Now what I want to ask is, you also give scholarship for higher education, right?
Yes, we started, that was the first thing we started. We looked for students who are intelligent and poor. And then we started with 4 of them. I know them till now. I know their names, and I met them sometimes. One is working abroad. One girl has had a shop in Seolim, but now I think it was her own shop, the building. And now there is something like a telephone company working in. Maybe she gets a lot of rent for that, and she is earning. All 4 are doing well, and the most.
And higher education would be for what type of courses? Engineering, doctors.
Whatever they want. When they are intelligent, and we support them, give scholarships, they can do what they want. We not get any influence on it. Most times when they don't have an idea what to study, they come to our office, and there, Mr. Jacob, who is a high qualified man and a better man you can't find. He tells them what they can do and what they should not do, where they have chance in the future, and that is all really well done.
When you speak about Jacob Matthew, like what is very striking about what you have done is bring together a lot of people who could work on the ground here.
Yeah.
So, like, was it easy, and what are the difficulties? If
the difficulties in the work in India is sometimes the bureaucratism. That is, there is so much brain in this country, unbelievable brain, and as we are supporting the bright students, bright and poor students, I realize that there is so much brain in this country which is not used as it could be used. That is the main thing of the government. They should try to encourage them to do, to help them to be self-employed, for example, or to give them a chance to get good jobs. It should not be that way that if you want to get a government job or to be a teacher, that you have to pay, to bribe somebody, and then the non-intelligent people get the posts. That is
no.
that
What
is
I am also asking, I understand that, you know, like difficulties you might have had, but you have had people, teachers, for instance. I don't think they're getting very good salaries.
Yeah, that is
salaries.
that is a very big problem for us.
But to get such committed people to continue to work for you,
Yeah.
what is it that you do? That's what I want.
Yeah, we try to encourage them to do social work. As our budget is limited and I can't pay more than I'm paying now, so we have to, they are very low paid, our teachers, and that we try to increase now. We try to find in India companies who take over who are supporting different causes, and there we are on a good way, and with the help of with your help and with some other people in India, I'm sure that we can increase the salaries of the teachers soon, and that is one way also to get very good teachers, or keep those who are very good. At present, those teachers we are having now are really very good, and they're doing the work just nearly for nothing. For European will not believe that our teachers are working, I just tell it in euros, for 80 euros a month. And they do, they work till 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and then after that they do their work as electricians or as a plumber or something like that, and take over work to survive with their families. And that is not good. My feeling is we have to look after these teachers and have to support them in that way, that after, when they are retired, that they are not too poor, they should get some pension. But
Right.
till now, it is not that.
Besides these 3 technical institutes and the scholarships, there's some other things also you do, right?
Yeah, that is, you meet people, and then you become to know about their problems. For example, there was an orphanage, and we became to know about it because
Where?
it was in Kolva. It's called Valentina's Little Heaven.
All right.
And it is run by an ex-nun. She wanted to do to help the orphans, and asked their convent to allow her to do a orphanage, and they didn't allow. Then she asked for in Rome, and they didn't allow, and then she left the convent, and now she is in her own house. She is there are living around about 80 children.
With support from you.
We supported them in that way that we build a well there. They get an electrician water supply. Then there is a living room where they were sleeping, but there was only the roof was from metal, and the sun was on the metal, and inside it was nearly 50 degrees. It was very hot. Then there we made insulation, and then we made a room with 6 toilets, 6 showers, and 6 washing places. And then one of our friends, she became to know about it, and then we met Valentina, the leader of that, the boss of that orphanage, and she told that she was unable to bring the children to school. The orphanage is a little bit outside.
So you helped there as well?
Yeah, she couldn't, they put the children on the backside of a lorry and brought them to school. They had no other car. And then a lady came, a friend of mine, and she realized it, went home to, within 4 days she collected 10,000 euros, which is enough for a bus from Tata.
Okay.
And she came back to hand over the bus. For 3 days she came back, and she does a wonderful work.
Fantastic. Now what I would like to ask you right in the end, you have been doing it for 24 years, and what do you look in terms of hope of people supporting you? And let's have you maybe give a message to all the ones who are watching the Prudent Media Show.
Yeah, the message is never give up, continue working for the poor people, and for the poor people I can tell you got a chance through us. Use the chance, and you will have a better life than your parents had. And we give you a chance, whatever is possible. We will help you. I will collect the money for you for that, and Jacob will do all the work in India.
All right, fantastic. So thank you very much, Mr. Rudolph. आम्ही आयकताले रुडॉल्फ स्वर्ट्स जे जर्मनीच्यान गोंयान येवन हांगच्या भुरग्यांक टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंग दिल्यात, नर्सीस तयार केल्यात, इलेक्ट्रिशियन, ट्रेडर, टर्नर असे खूप तयार केल्यात, स्कॉलरशिप्स दिल्या हायर एज्युकेशना खातीर. आणि ते म्हणटा की कोणेच गरीब मनशां जी आसा ती गरीब उरची न्ही, तांकां शिक्षण मेळपाक जाय. शिक्षण मेळ्यार उदरगत जातली. आणि आय वूड से दॅट इन द एंड दॅट यू आर नो लॉंगर जस्ट अ जर्मन, यू आर अ गोवन. बरो आसा गोंयकार. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Okay.